What if the next generation of cyber warfare isn't fought with keyboard warriors, but with killer bots? What if the lines of code become the new battleground where algorithms engage in a deadly dance of offense and defense, all without human interference? Welcome to the era of AI warfare. Imagine a world where complex hacks take place within seconds, where traditional cybersecurity measures become obsolete, and where the stakes are higher than ever before. In this eye-opening exploration, we'll uncover the hidden threats lurking in our increasingly digital world. From the rise of AI-powered attacks to the development of autonomous cyber defenders, we'll examine the tools and strategies shaping this new frontier. Get ready to delve into the murky depths of cyber espionage, where artificial intelligence takes center stage and the rules of engagement are constantly rewritten. We often hear about cyber attacks, but in the grand scheme of things, they're like the opening acts of a symphony of chaos. Today's online threats are just a prelude to the full-scale cyber warfare that looms on the horizon. As AI technology advances, the complexity of cyber attacks will reach unprecedented levels. It won't be long before we witness a dramatic escalation in the digital battleground. In fact, the revelation of hacking tools developed by renowned cyber arms dealer Arsenal 360 is just the tip of the iceberg. These advanced tools, some created with the help of artificial intelligence, show us a glimpse of what's to come. The most advanced AI-powered hacking tool unveiled by Arsenal 360 is its AI chatbot capable of automating the entire process of hacking. This tool can write, test, and deploy exploits, then even create payloads tailored to specific targets. That means that in the near future, a single AI system could plan, execute, and complete an entire cyber attack without human input. However, the possibilities don't end there. AI can also help hackers by identifying vulnerabilities in software and systems much faster than humans. For example, in the case of Microsoft Exchange Server, AI was able to discover vulnerabilities that allowed for remote code execution, bypassing conventional security measures. This capability allows attackers to target systems that were previously considered secure, adding another layer of complexity to the cybersecurity landscape. Furthermore, AI can assist in creating convincing spear-phishing emails, social engineering tactics used to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. By analyzing large volumes of emails and other online interactions, AI can generate highly targeted messages that mimic the communication styles of legitimate senders, fooling even the most cautious users. But wait, there's more. AI's potential in the realm of hacking doesn't stop there. It can even help attackers bypass traditional network security by exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities, unknown flaws in software that hackers can exploit before they're patched. By analyzing malware samples and network traffic patterns, AI can identify these vulnerabilities, allowing attackers to penetrate even the most robust defenses. The impact of AI-assisted hacking is already being felt with incidents like the SolarWinds hack, where Russian spies infiltrated software updates to compromise multiple US government agencies and private sector organizations. Although the extent of their intrusion is still being uncovered, the sophistication of the attack highlights the growing threat of AI-driven cyber espionage. But let's not forget about defensive measures. AI is also being employed to build advanced firewalls and threat detection systems that can analyze vast amounts of data to identify anomalies and potential threats in real time. The combination of AI-powered offense and defense is creating a new arms race in the digital realm. And as both sides continue to innovate and refine their strategies, the battle lines are becoming increasingly blurred. As we venture deeper into this digital battlefield, the true scope of AI warfare becomes clearer. It's a relentless cycle of attack and defense, where the stakes are incredibly high. The consequences of a successful cyber attack can be devastating, ranging from financial losses and reputational damage to the disruption of essential services and even the manipulation of public opinion. Consider the NotPetya attack of 2017, which started as a cyber espionage operation but evolved into a global cyber war. This devastating malware outbreak affected over 200 companies in more than 60 countries, causing billions of dollars in damages. The true extent of the damage inflicted by NotPetya is still being assessed, but its impact on global supply chains and critical infrastructure serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of AI warfare. And as AI technology continues to advance, The destructive capabilities of such attacks are likely to grow exponentially. Autonomous AI systems operating without human intervention can launch coordinated multi-pronged attacks with ease, overwhelming traditional defenses and causing widespread disruption. It's a terrifying prospect, but one that demands our attention and proactive measures to mitigate the risks. Moreover, the use of AI in warfare raises significant ethical concerns. Autonomous AI systems operating without human oversight could potentially violate international law and erode the accountability and transparency that are crucial for maintaining peace and stability. The absence of human control also increases the risk of unintended consequences and the potential for AI-driven conflicts to spiral out of control. As we navigate these uncharted waters, striking a balance between harnessing the benefits of AI technology and mitigating its inherent risks becomes crucial. International cooperation, robust regulatory frameworks, and strict ethical guidelines are essential to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly in the pursuit of national security. Now let's shift gears and explore the dark underbelly of AI warfare, where malicious actors leverage artificial intelligence to wreak havoc on unsuspecting targets. One of the most insidious tactics employed by these nefarious players is the creation of deepfake videos. Using AI-powered software, they can manipulate audio and video recordings to make it appear as though someone is saying or doing something they never did. These realistic yet fake videos can be used to spread misinformation, sow discord, and even blackmail individuals or organizations. For instance, imagine a scenario where a deepfake video emerges depicting a political leader making inflammatory statements or engaging in compromising activities. The ramifications of such a video could be devastating, potentially inciting public outrage, destabilizing governments, and undermining trust in institutions. Another alarming tactic employed by bad actors is the use of AI-powered malware that can continuously learn and adapt to evade detection by antivirus software. This type of malware can analyze and modify its own code, making it extremely difficult to identify and neutralize. Traditional cybersecurity measures become almost useless against such adaptive threats, leaving organizations vulnerable to data breaches, system failures, and the theft of sensitive information. One notable example of the AI-powered malware is the infamous DeepLocker ransomware, which utilizes machine learning to evade detection and then encrypts victims' files, demanding a ransom for their release. Once inside a corporate network, DeepLocker can lie dormant for months, evading detection, before activating and launching a devastating attack. Furthermore, AI-driven chatbots are also being weaponized to carry out large-scale phishing campaigns. These AI-powered bots can generate convincing messages that mimic those of legitimate entities, tricking users into divulging their credentials or downloading malicious attachments. Phishing attacks have already proven to be highly effective, with Google and Twitter being just two prominent companies that have fallen victim to such scams. Imagine a phishing email crafted with the precision and speed of an AI system targeting individuals with offers or requests tailored to their interests. The potential for compromise is enormous, but perhaps even more concerning is the rise of AI-powered social media manipulation. Malicious actors can leverage AI to automate the creation of fake accounts and amplify divisive content to influence public opinion and disrupt social harmony. By exploiting AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and mimic human behavior, bad actors can create a legion of fake accounts that spread propaganda, incite violence, and undermine trust in social media platforms. For example, the Cambridge Analytica scandal revealed how personal data of millions of Facebook users was harvested and used to influence political outcomes without their consent. While not directly involving AI, this incident highlights the potential for misuse of personal data and the urgent need for regulation and transparency. As we delve deeper into the murky depths of AI warfare, it's clear that malicious actors are employing increasingly sophisticated tactics to exploit vulnerabilities and compromise systems. The emergence of AI-powered threats adds a new dimension to the cybersecurity landscape, demanding vigilance and proactive measures to protect against the ever-evolving tactics of bad actors. In the face of these challenges, the cybersecurity community must remain steadfast in its pursuit of innovative solutions and robust safeguards. By staying informed and adapting to the latest threats, we can strive to create a safer digital environment for all. But it doesn't have to be this way. There is hope on the horizon. Emerging technologies and proactive measures offer a glimmer of hope in the face of these daunting challenges. Let's explore some of the innovations that could shape the future of cybersecurity. One promising development is the use of blockchain technology to enhance data security and integrity. Blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature makes it extremely difficult for attackers to tamper with data, reducing the risk of successful cyber attacks. Moreover, blockchain-based systems can provide enhanced transparency and accountability, making it easier to identify and prosecute malicious actors. Another groundbreaking innovation is the development of AI-powered cybersecurity systems that can detect and neutralize threats in real time. These AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify anomalies, and respond to threats with speed and precision, greatly enhancing our ability to protect against cyber attacks. Furthermore, the use of quantum computing in cryptography research is paving the way for new encryption algorithms that are virtually impossible to crack. Even with the advent of quantum computers, by investing in quantum-resistant cryptography, we can ensure that our data remains secure in the face of future technological advancements. Moreover, fostering international cooperation and information sharing is crucial in the fight against cyber threats. By working together, nations can pool their resources, share intelligence, and develop joint responses to emerging threats, creating a more resilient global cybersecurity ecosystem. Additionally, promoting cybersecurity education and training is vital in addressing the growing demand for skilled professionals in this field. By investing in educational programs and training initiatives, we can empower the next generation of cybersecurity experts to safeguard our digital assets. It's important to recognize that the future of cybersecurity lies in embracing innovation, staying vigilant, and fostering collaboration. By leveraging emerging technologies, investing in education, and promoting international cooperation, we can strive to create a safer and more secure digital world. As we conclude our exploration of AI warfare, it's clear that the future of cyber conflict is both challenging and unpredictable. The rise of autonomous AI systems and their integration into various aspects of modern warfare raise profound questions about strategy, ethics, and the very nature of conflict in the digital age. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial that we, the global community, come together to establish robust norms, regulations, and ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI in warfare. By fostering international cooperation and dialogue, we can work towards mitigating the risks and harnessing the potential benefits of AI technology while upholding our shared values and principles. Let us embrace the power of collective action and ensure that the future of warfare is shaped by wisdom, restraint, and a commitment to the common good.
If you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe, tap the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video.